About 3 years ago, some of you already know this story, but 3 years ago, Chris Allen, who's in charge of Plan Ops, had said they found Washington's bell in storage at the warehouse. And he says, we got to get it to your school. And I'm like, oh yeah. So 3 years later, and a few hiccups along the way, we had our bell delivered to us actually this week. And one of our parents, Luke Dreesen, who should be here a little later, actually built our platform for us. And they secured our bell, and our bell is going to live here. It's been gone, we think, for about 38 to 40 years, and so we thought it was about time to bring it back. So with that, actually, but we're gonna just, it's old. So we're not gonna.
800 pounds.
Yes.
Wow. 800. Wow. How did they get it?
1891.
That is just awesome.
So, very special day, and I know that we are going to have lots of visitors. So to my staff that's here today, I could not have done any of this without all of you. Our school looks phenomenal. People that come in here are going to know that this is a very special place. So thank you for being here and being part of this. And let's enjoy our day.